Hi friends, myself Vijay Lakshmi and my team members are Ilavarasi and Sangeeta. We are from Railtech, iTech, Dr. Rangarajan, Dr. Sagundala Engineering College. We belong to the Department of Final Year IT. Our project title is Development of Android Application for Phototype Script. Our guide name is Mr. P. Ashok. Coming to the abstract, the main scope of our project is to create an Android application for implementing a mobile OCR service. The problem of text extraction is not very well surveyed, so we have addressed a technique for this. Coming to existing system, here we use a pruning algorithm, which is self-learning algorithm. Here the output is not accurate. Suppose the system, here we use three techniques of segmentation, denoising and edge detection. Here the output will be accurate as the words are trained using a Tesseract library. This is manually trained.
Now I will show the demo for our project. Right click on the project title and click on the Run As button and then click on the Android application. Now my emulator will be launched. So unlock the emulator. Now click on the menu option. Now click on the Phototype script. The new user you have to register in it. In that it will, the relevant details will be given. If the existing user have been can be registered using email ID and password. Now I'll give the email ID. And then click the password and finally log in. In the menu I have given 4 options. One is PTS, second is view option, third is help and finally exit. In PTS I will be I have given to extract the text. After extracting the text we can also give the dictionary, translate option and also a speech output. In view I will store my extracted picture through cloud storage. And third one, help option. In help option the new user can able to how to use the application. I have given the relevant details. And finally exit option. Now click on the PTS button. From gallery, because I click on the gallery. I don't have webcam in my PC. So I have kept some pictures in my gallery options. I have taken a default picture so that I can able to extract the text from it. Click on the extract button. After clicking on the extract button, the text will be extracted from the image. Here is my extracted text. Here I can able to get the get meaning from the dictionary. For buy, I have click on the get meaning option. Here I have get the meaning for it. Here I have clicked the translator button. The text, the extracted text will be converted into the language, any other language. Here I have given the Tamil, so the extracted text is converted into the language Tamil. Using TTS engine, the speech output can be get. Now click on the upload option. So that it can be stored in the cloud storage. Now I will show the PDF extractor. Click on the sample. This is a DBMS site. Here only I will be store the pictures, so that using push option I will store my picture. Click on the picture button and then push it. Now open the emulator. Now click on the browse option. Now upload the PDF file. To extract it, click on the SD card, and finally which picture has been pushed, click on the picture option. Click on the final abstract. Now click on the extract image. This is the picture which I have been pushed, which is a PDF file. Now click on the extract image, so that we can able to extract the text and image separately. To view, to see the extracted text and image, click on the back option. Click on the storage SD card, acqueue. Click on the acqueue. Here only I can view the extracted text and image from the PDF file. To show you more clearly, I will pull it in my desktop. This is a pulled picture in the desktop. Thanks for watching.